Niaje?
Fit yeah.
Nenda SGR. She boss. Let me scan my bag first. I don't know how many times these guys want us to scan these bags. Yo, what's up guys? So I'm currently at SGR Nairobi terminus, and I'm here with a very big bag, and I'm actually starting my backpacking trip around Kenya, and I'm actually leaving Nairobi. It's my train is at 10 p.m. It's 9 already, so I have only 1 hour to be here. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please just make sure you subscribe. Apparently I've been checked like over 5 times. I have a gas can for camping in my bag, but I haven't found it. So I know it's very, very dangerous, but you know, I'm actually going to come. You see how my bag is big. So yeah, let me wait for the next 1 hour, waiting for the train. Then I will actually be heading to Mombasa. The last time I went to Mombasa was in early last year, before COVID hit. So man, it's going to be epic, it's going to be awesome, and I really just can't wait for you guys to see the amazing content I'm going to give you. I have this plan backpacking around Kenya. I'm actually starting with Kwale, going Mombasa, Garissa. Yeah, that's what I actually have. I have my camping gears on, I have my tent, I have my sleeping bag, I have my clothes, I have cooking gear. So it's going to be mad. So this is actually the first time I'm actually traveling at night using the SGR. Let's hope it's actually going to be an interesting ride. So like I said, I have a lot of things planned, but please make sure you subscribe. Let's go.
Passengers, welcome aboard train number E4 from Nairobi to Mombasa. This train has 10 coaches. In each coach there are 2 toilets, a dustbin, and a wash basin area. Please note that movement to other coaches is prohibited. Dear passengers, we are now leaving Nairobi terminus. The due arrival time at Mombasa is at 5 minutes past 3 a.m. Enjoy your journey.
What's up guys, so it's few minutes to 4 and we're already at Mombasa SGR terminus, and this place is awesome, the lights, everything. Looking for a place to come chill for a second. It's 15 minutes to 4 and I'm actually going to Ukunda. That's like I have to get to town and take another month. I'm not actually on this trip for a luxury stuff, but I'm actually here just to show you guys, that the less amount you have, you can actually travel to somewhere. So I want to be here until 6. Good morning. So I don't know if you can actually see me. It's 10 minutes to 6. I just came here because of the light. So let's get in the car and head over to ferry. Hello guys, so I'm currently inside Mombasa city and I'm going to ferry to take another matatu from ferry to Diani, and I'm really tired. I haven't slept because you just know how the SGR seats look like. They're not comfortable. Buda freshi. Niende tu. Man, that guy could check my bag because we have to run and, you know, catch the ferry. So let's do this. So we have to wait here so that people can come. We're actually one of the first people here, so you know we have to wait. Finally made it to the ferry, so I'm crossing. Then I've actually started sweating, but it is what it is. Sunrise, beautiful sunrise. Now this is what I mean when I actually say I love adventure, you know. Moments like these, just priceless. Yeah. So I'm looking for a matatu from here going to Diani. Did you see that sunrise? Man, that was epic. These are kind of moments that people have always wanted, but you just have to get out of your comfort zone to, you know, get the shots. Yo, what's up guys? So finally I'm in Diani and my GoPro is finally going off and I'm here, and it's been one hell of a drive, one hell of a journey.